Farming is hard work, it always has been. From sunrise to sunset, farmers toil in the fields, battling the elements and working tirelessly to ensure their crops thrive. It's a job that demands resilience, dedication, and a lot of sweat. But lately there's a new hand lending a helping hand in the fields. This new assistant doesn't tire, doesn't need breaks, and can work around the clock. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the game, making farming smarter and more efficient. It's like having a team of experts at your disposal, analyzing every aspect of your farm. Think of it like this. AI is like having a super smart robot on your farm, helping you make the best decisions for your crops. It can predict weather patterns, optimize irrigation, and even detect pests before they become a problem. AI can analyze huge amounts of data, way more than a human ever could. This data-driven approach means farmers can make informed decisions, leading to better yields and healthier crops. This data comes from everywhere: satellites, drones, sensors in the field. Each piece of information adds to a bigger picture, giving farmers insights they never had before. It's like giving farmers a superpower, letting them see things they couldn't before. With augmented reality glasses, they can visualize data overlays right in the field, making real-time adjustments. And the best part? AI is not here to replace farmers. It's here to enhance their capabilities, allowing them to focus on what they do best. It's here to help them, to be a reliable partner in the field, ensuring that every seed sown has the best chance to grow. It's like having a sidekick, making their lives a little easier and their farms a lot more productive. With AI, the future of farming looks brighter than ever. One of the coolest ways AI is changing farming is in crop monitoring. With the help of advanced technology, farmers can now keep a close eye on their fields like never before. Remember those satellites and drones we talked about? They're like AI's eyes in the sky, constantly watching over the crops and gathering crucial data. They capture images of entire fields, showing farmers things they wouldn't normally see from the ground. This bird's eye view is invaluable for spotting issues early. These images can tell farmers a lot, from the health of the crops to the condition of the soil. The data collected is incredibly detailed. Is one area of the field drier than the rest? This kind of information is crucial for effective water management. Are some plants not growing as well? Identifying these problem areas can help farmers take targeted action. AI can spot these problems early on, so farmers can take action before it's too late. Early detection means healthier crops and better yields.
But AI isn't just about looking from above. It's also about understanding what's happening